The weather is cold and windy today, so what came to mind was the ginger wine chicken. So let's have a look at the ingredients. So what I have here is 3 tablespoons of chopped ginger. It can also be grated. And since I have spring onions, I'm also adding in some chopped spring onion. Half a chicken marinated with soy sauce and a bit of pepper. And I'll be using this brand of ginger wine, a very famous brand of ginger wine. Cook my ginger wine chicken. Heat up a wok. Add in about 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Add in the chopped ginger. Fry for a few minutes until it's fragrant. Add in the chopped spring onion. It's not really necessary to have it. You can just add to fragrant oil. In goes the marinated chicken pieces. Cut it into bite-sized pieces. Do not add any liquid, any water, any liquid at this moment. Be patient. Keep frying it for a while until the liquid is reduced, the soy sauce is reduced. I'll cover the wok to let the chicken cook through. I will now add some salt as seasoning, about half teaspoon. And now you may add a small amount of liquid, that's water, and allow it to simmer again. Now after about 20 minutes of simmering or cooking, the chicken should be cooked through. And we can actually now add in the ginger wine. The amount is up to you. If you like a lot of wine taste, then you add a bit more. And then another few minutes of simmering and it's done. And finally, to end the cooking, just a dash of sesame oil. And there you have it, ginger wine chicken. Here's our ginger wine chicken. Eat it with a bowl of warm rice, hot or warm rice. It'll be lovely.